Every car has a story to tell, and someone needs to tell it, but the challenge is doing it in 60 seconds. This is 0 to 60.
My name's Leonard Mitchell from Indianapolis, Indiana. I have an 87 GMC Sierra. It's got a big block Chevy out of a 69 Camaro, built up to a 496, custom 24-inch by 15 wheels on the back, 22 by 8.5 on the front, power glass, front and back windows custom made. Front windows are made by OPP products. I have custom interior imported from Greece, custom dash made by myself and a buddy of mine from Advanced Coatings and Trim in Indianapolis. The seats came from Greece because I was on a trip there, met with some vendors on some leather that I was looking to do my interior, and I got with my friends from Dream Car Customs and they made that seat for me. The color of the truck is unique. It's an actual stock color, but I put a small dose of pearl in there so I can get a little bit of pop up under the light. I truly like this color because it's something original that you don't